picture and answer the questions. What are the different uses of water? The different uses of water are drinking, cooking, washing, cleaning, bathing, growing crops, sailing ships. Where is drinking water taken from? We get drinking water from rivers, lakes, wells, and bore wells. Is river water clean? No, the river water is not clean. How does river water get polluted? River water gets polluted due to washing, cleaning, chemical waste, and bathing. Can we wash vehicles in river water? No, we should not wash vehicles in the river water. How do human activities change the purity of the running water? Human activities like bathing, washing clothes, washing vehicles, letting out the chemical waste, etc., affect the purity of the running water. Water pollution. Chemicals in soap contaminate water when people wash and bathe in the rivers. Dumping garbage in water bodies pollutes them. The industries let out their chemical wastes directly into the water source, polluting it. Cleaning vehicles and cattle in rivers and lakes pollutes water. When drinking water is left open, dust and other small organisms pollute it. Waterborne diseases. Drinking unfiltered, polluted water causes diseases like cough, dysentery, jaundice, cholera, and typhoid. To prevent water pollution, wastewater from houses can be used for gardening. Water from industries must be treated properly before it is let out. Vehicles can be cleaned in service stations. Cattle can be bathed at a distance from water bodies. Water stagnation and mosquito breeding. There are different types of mosquitoes. Some breed in fresh water and some in sewage water. They spread diseases like malaria, dengue, jaundice, elephantiasis, etc. Breeding of mosquitoes can be controlled by covering drinking water, by keeping our surroundings clean, and by preventing water stagnation in our area. Facts. 90% of the diseases we get are caused by drinking polluted water. Take 2 jars. Fill one jar with pond water and the other with mild soap water. Add some algae into both jars. Leave it in the sun for 2 to 3 days. Drop some fish in both. Observe the jars after a week. Why have the fish in the soap water died? Fish cannot live in water contaminated by chemicals. Take 2 glass tumblers. Pour equal amount of water in both the glass tumblers. Close one glass tumbler with a lid. Let the other one be open. Observe the 2 tumblers after 2 days. Use a magnifying glass if required and list the differences. What do you observe in the glass tumbler without lid? The water is full of dust. We can also observe some mosquito eggs and larvae. Wind breeze. It was evening. A cool breeze was blowing in the beach. Muller was playing on the sands, enjoying the cool breeze. Suddenly, the wind blew strongly. "Let us go home, Muller. It may rain," said her mother. Muller did not want to go home. She asked her father, "The wind was blowing gently before. Why is it so strong now?" Father started explaining about the different types of winds. "Come on, children, let us listen to what he says." Moving air is called wind. The layer of air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. The atmosphere is a mixture of gases. We cannot see air. We can only feel it. We need air to breathe. Types of wind. Breeze. Cool and gentle wind is called breeze. We can feel it near the water bodies like rivers, ponds, on seashore, and near the hills. Breeze blows at the speed of 5 to 38 kilometers per hour. Storm. Winds which blow very strongly are called stormy winds. This is because of the low pressure in the sea. Storm blows at the speed of 89 to 102 kilometers per hour. Cyclone. Wind which blows with very high speed is called cyclone. It is stronger than storm. This is also due to the low pressure in the sea. Hot air. Air that rises up because of heat is called hot air. Cool breeze. When hot air rises up, there is an empty space or vacuum in that place. To fill that space, cool air from the surroundings rushes towards it. This is called cool breeze. Sea breeze. During daytime, the land gets heated more than the sea water. The hot air in the land rises up. Cool wind from the sea blows towards the land. This is called sea breeze. During the daytime, sea breeze blows towards land. Land breeze. During night time, the sea will be hotter than the land. Cool breeze from the land will blow towards the sea. This is called land breeze. During night time, land breeze blows towards the sea. Light a candle. Keep your hands around the flame. What do you feel? We cannot feel the heat of the flame. Now, keep the hands on top of the flame. What do you feel? We can now feel the heat of the flame. Air that rises up because of heat is called hot air. Take 2 paper bags. Fix them upside down to a stick as shown in the picture. Keep a candle under the bag marked A. Why does the bag A rise? Bag A rises because hot air rises up. Facts. We get electricity from windmills. Tamil Nadu stands first in generating electricity from windmills. Many windmills are located in Aralvaimozhi and Kayatharu in Tamil Nadu. Winds which blow in a particular direction during a particular season are called monsoon winds. Tamil Nadu gets rain from both the northeast monsoon and the southwest monsoon winds. We get 48% of rain from the northeast monsoon winds. The first people to fly in an aeroplane, Wright brothers. Healthy food. Yesterday we went to a beautiful park. How did you feel? Madam, yesterday's trip was enjoyable and very useful. Mugilan, why do you look so tired? Did you have your food? Madam, Mugilan eats only fast food items like chips, murukku, pizza, noodles, etc. Why, Mugilan? Don't you like fruits and vegetables? Fruits? Vegetables? I don't like them at all. Children, you should not hate fruits and vegetables like Mugilan. I will tell you about the food that we should eat daily. Food we must take in our daily life are cereals, legumes, pulses, curd, milk, butter, meat, fried fish, and egg. Food like groundnut oil, sunflower oil, and cooking oil which we get from plants give us energy, help us to grow, and protect us from various diseases. The tasty food we eat takes care of our hunger. Healthy food consists of energy producers like carbohydrates, fats, bodybuilders like proteins, body regulators like minerals, vitamins, and water. Carbohydrates give us instant energy. Proteins help us to grow. Fats give energy and strength. Vitamins and minerals protect us from diseases. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and mineral salts are the nutrients present in our food. Water also plays a vital role. Balanced diet. Based on the age and work, the food taken should contain correct proportion of amount of nutrients. This is called balanced diet. Food items to be avoided: burger, pizza, chocolate, tin and canned foods, and soft drinks are not good for our health. Food items to be included: milk, curd, carbohydrates, pulses, fruits, vegetables, greens, egg, and fish. These strengthen our body. To protect our health, an adult should drink 2.5 liters of water daily. Wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly before eating them raw. The seasonal fruits and vegetables like gooseberry, carrot, guava, and papaya protect our health. The skin of fruits and vegetables is also rich in nutrients. Different places, different diet. People of Tamil Nadu like rice, vegetables, greens, payasam, etc. People of Kerala like appam, puttu, coconut, nendrampalam, fish, and Bengal gram. Tribal people like honey, fruits, and tubers. North Indian people like chapati, pulav, biryani, sabji, etc. In China, people like noodles, soup, seafood, etc. Facts: don't overcook the vegetables. They lose the nutrients. Vitamins and minerals are lost when we fry our food. Rice loses its nutrients when we polish it. Milk consists of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Louis Pasteur discovered the method of preserving milk called pasteurization. Within us. What are the pictures of the human organs found on the wall of the doctor's room? We can see the pictures of the heart, lungs, brain, stomach, and kidney. Are they found in our body? Yes, all these organs are found in our body. What are the instruments doctors use to examine and treat you? Doctors use the stethoscope, thermometer, etc. What do you see on the X-ray screen in a doctor's room? We can see the rib cage which is found in our body. Bones. What are the uses of bones? Bones help our body to sit, stand, walk, run, and do all the movements. The skeletal system. There are about 206 bones in our body. We cannot walk or run without bones. The skeletal system gives structure to our body. It protects important organs like heart, lungs, etc. Facts. The longest bone in our body is the thigh bone. The smallest bone, called stapes, is present inside the ear. The skull. The brain is protected inside the brain box called the skull. The joints. The bones are connected with other bones at places called joints. The immovable joint. The skull is made up of 8 flat bones. The joints present in the skull do not move, so they are called immovable joints. The movable joints. Movable joints are of 4 types. They are the ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivot joint, and the gliding joint. To rotate our hands, we have the ball and socket joints. We can bend our arms with the help of hinge joints. The skull is joined with the backbone with a special joint called the pivot joint. The joints seen in wrist, ankle, backbone are called gliding joints. Facts. Our backbone is made up of 32 small bones. It helps to bend and stretch our body. We get vitamin D from sunlight. Playing in sunlight in the evening is good for the bones. Muscles. Muscles give a good shape to our body. Muscles work along with bones for the movement of the body. Voluntary muscles. The muscles which work according to our will are called voluntary muscles. Involuntary muscles. The muscles which do not work according to our will are called involuntary muscles. They work themselves. During respiration, the lungs contract and expand. Similarly, our stomach contracts and relaxes during the digestion of food. These actions are not under our control. Hence, they are named as voluntary muscles. Heart muscles. Heart muscles are special involuntary muscles. Due to contraction and relaxation of heart muscles, heartbeat occurs. Fact: an adult human heart beats 72 times per minute. Bones and muscles work together to do many activities in day-to-day. Skin. The skin covers the entire body. The skin protects the internal organs. Skin helps in maintaining the body temperature. Skin is a sensory organ. It helps us to feel temperature, cold, pressure, pain, etc. The hair. Hairs are present almost on all parts of the body. They help in protecting the body. There are about 1 lakh hairs on the head of a normal man. These give us beauty and also protect our skin from microorganisms. The teeth. Food is needed for the functioning of our organs. Teeth are needed for the grinding of the food. Milk teeth are present in childhood. They are temporary. The permanent teeth grow after 6 years. Enamel is the hardest material seen on the surface of the teeth. Teeth are made up of a chemical named calcium. Teeth are of 4 types. They are premolars, molars, canines, and incisors. Facts: cool drinks and sweets taken in excess become dangerous. The chemicals present in them cause cavity in teeth. Rontgen discovered X-rays which help to identify fracture in bones.